Welcome back, students of 5th class. So my name is Asif, your mathematics teacher, present before you to learn and understand some of the questions from exercise 35, chapter number 9, multiplication and division of decimals. So friends, prior to this video we had already learned how to solve the sums, question 1 to 7 of exercise 35. So in this video session we will talk about a couple of questions from question number 8 to 15. So see friends, now let's get started from question number 8, and the 8th question says, first simplify. Simplify, and the 8 number questions is 4.2 of 2.5 divided by 2.1 plus 8 multiplied by 1.25 divided by 0.05. Now see friends, solution. First look at the friends, this question consisting of, this is of 1 2 3 4 operations such as of, divisions, multiplication, addition. Okay, now if you remember the one word like the board mass, BOD, see friends, the words board mass, BOD MAS. So B for bracket friends, but there is no bracket. So now O for off. First we will have to work for off, then division, D for division, multiplication, addition, then subtraction. Okay, so first we have to solve this here of. Now 4.2 multiply by 2.5, off means multiply, we have to multiply 4.2 by 2.5. now multiply friends, 22.5 multiply by 4.2. first multiply 25 with 42, this is 50, this is 100. now add 0 5 0 1, and here is the decimal, here is the decimal. Number of digits after decimal 1 and 1 2, here is the 2, 10.50. okay friends, now see, come to here, this is division as it is, 2.1 plus 8 multiplied by 1.25, okay, and divided by 0.05. now see friends, then we will have to solve for the division, where there is operation division is here and here. Now friends, 10.150 is divided by this, so now divide friends, here we can divide 2.1 2.15 friends, 0.5 1 10 of 5 1 5 will get 0. okay friends, or this could be this can be written as, suppose 10.50 divided by 2.1. we can erase this 0, remove this decimal, because this is the same decimal with the same decimal places. okay, then this 0 decimal will get cancelled. so this is 105 25 1 25, sorry, here is the, and 21 5 ja 5, so here is the, sorry friends, 5, because see friends, because this is the divisor and this is the dividend. so this decimals having one decimal places, and this decimal is also having one decimal places, so this decimal will get cancelled. This is only 21 divided by 10, so this 105 is divided by 21, and 21 5 ja 105. So here is the answer is 5. Okay, now here is the plus, write the plus. This is 8, so 8 as it is, because first we have to solve this division, then add multiplication. Here is the division. Now friends, this 1.25, this 1.25 is divided by 0.05. okay, so here have a look friends. After decimal there are 2 digits, and after decimal there are also 2 digits in numerator and denominator as well. So this decimal will get cancelled. This is only up is 125 and this is downward is 5. So 5 2 ja 10 and 5 5 ja, this is only 25 friends. Now friends, then we will solve in multiply. Now multiply 25 multiply by 8, this is 200. This is 5 plus 200, this is 205. So this is final answer. I hope you will understand. Now see friends, question number 11 says 0.4, only simplify. 0.4 multiply by 0.4 minus 0.3 multiply by 0.3 whole divided by 0.4 multiply by 0.2 minus 0.1 multiply by 0.1. Now see friends, first we have to multiply erasing the decimals. Now this is only 4, then 4 multiply by 4 4 ja 16 friends. Then count number of digits after decimal. So in this decimal there is only 1 digit after decimal. So in this decimal there is only 1 digit after decimal. So then add 1 plus 1, there is 2 digits after decimal. So we have to place the decimal counting 2 digits from right hand side, 1 and 1 2, and place the decimal is okay. That means if you multiply 0.4 multiply by 0.1, we will get 0.16. I hope you will understand. Now next here is the minus, write down the minus sign. Once again same, multiply 3 multiply by 3, 3 ja 9. So now count the number of digits after decimal. So in this decimal there is only 1 digit after decimal and also 1 digit after decimal. Okay, so the total number of digits after decimal, this plus this, 1 plus 1 2. So hence we can place the decimal after multiplying 3 by 3. So we will get the 9, and we have to place the decimal after counting 2 digits, because the after decimal there are 2 digits, one is here and one is here. 1 plus 1 3, 1 plus 1 sorry 2. So but here is only one numbers after multiplying 3 by 3. Now we have to place the 0 before this number, because there is no effect of 9. So this is as it is. Now then we can place the decimal after counting 2 digits, 1 and 1 2. Here is that means if you multiply 0.3 by 0.3, we will get 0.09 friends. Okay, now close the bracket, because we have only multiply inside the bracket terms. So why will place the bracket. Now this is divide. Now same friends, multiply 4 2 ja 8. Okay, 8, and then count the number of digits after decimals, this and this. Here is the 1 1 1 1 1 2, then place 1 and 1 2 here. Okay, now minus multiply 1 1 ja 1 multiply by 1, this is 1. Okay friends, but see the number of digit after decimal is here 1, and number of digit after decimal is here 1. 1 plus 1 2, hence we can say the number of digits after decimal means 2. So we can place the decimal after multiplying 1 by 1, count the 2 digits from right hand side and place the decimals. This is 0.01, so 0.01 friends. Okay, now see, subtract friends. 0.16 is going to be subtract 0.09 is going to subtract from 0.16. This could be written as, yes friend. Now subtract, this is 7 and this is 0. Okay, because 16 minus 9, 7 and 0 minus 0, this is, so hence we can say here 0.07. Okay, and this is divided by, now this friend, subtract 0.08, here is the 0 1, subtract minus, this is 7 friend, this is 0 and this is 0, hence 0.07. So friends, have a look, this the same numbers in numerator and denominator as well. So this will get cancelled, or either this could be written as 0.7 divided by 0.07, 1. So friends, 1 is your answer. I hope you will grasp. Very good friends. Now next question. Now see friends, question number 14. Simplify, says 18 divided by 1 by 3 plus 0.3 multiplied by 7 by 2 minus 5 plus 1 by 2. Okay friends, now see, first we have to solve in this. Now this could be written as 8, change the sign of division as multiplication, then we have to write the reciprocal of this 1 by 3. So reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3 by 1. Okay friends, now we can write the as it is the plus sign. Okay, so this is plus, so this could be written as 3. Remove the decimal here friends, 0.3. Now we remove the decimal and write the 10 in denominator because 1 digits after decimal, and multiply by 7 by 2 as it is. Okay, now this is minus 5 as it is plus 1 by 2. Now see friends, this is 8 3 different 54. Okay, and now the next, this is 3 by 3 multiplied by 7 plus 21 by 20 minus 5 plus 1 by 2. Now see friends, now here is the 54 is as it is, plus if we divide this 21 by 20 we will get, this is 1 ja 21 ja 20, so 1 is here, decimal here is the 0. Even 10 is less than, so place the 0, here is the 0, 25 ja 100. Okay, this is 100. So the answer 1.05. If we divide 21 by 20 we will get 1.05. So this is why we wrote over here this minus 5 as it is, and now this 1 by 2 means 1 is divided by 2, so it's 0.025 ja 10. That means here the 0.5. This is why we wrote here the 0.5. Now this is friend, add 54 plus, because this is the plus and the plus, add 54 plus 1.05 plus 0.5 here, and we will get 55.55. Here written 55.55. This is minus 5 as it is. If we subtract 55.55 minus 5 we will get 50.55 as friends 55.55. Here is the whole number part is here, and we can write, because subtract, this is 5 0 and this is 50.55. This is answer. I hope friends you can easily solve. So your homework friends, your homework question number 8 to 15, exercise 35. I hope you will grasp. Have a nice day.